Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the king of clubs, and I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait to see Megan in theaters next week. Of course, I am the party monster, back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my most recent pickup that comes courtesy of the Nike sneakers app. Your boy was able to hit on this shoe for retail. It was actually my second to last pickup of 2022. And I could not be more excited because I know this particular shoe you guys will be seeing a couple of times because it's actually in my top 10 pickups of 2022. So yes, I need the shoe to get here, and they finally got here and everything. I know they were delayed a little bit because of Nike, and yeah, but they got here, and that's all that matters to me. And it was definitely a really weird situation with Nike and the whole sneakers app because normally, once you went on the Nike sneakers app, to make you feel good about yourself, they actually give you a little button and the little thing that says got them and everything, just to make you feel way more special and let you flex a little bit on your friends. But I didn't get that, so I actually hit, and then 5 to 10 minutes later, I actually just saw a purchase button that said the shoes were purchased, and that was my confirmation that I won the shoe. And yeah, I know it's like being nitpicky right there, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted that got them things I can show y'all, but whatever, I didn't get it. But I got the shoes, so they're here. I'm gonna show you guys what it is that I picked up. Again, you probably can guess because it was like one of the last shoes to release last year, and yeah. But before we do all that, more importantly, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great 2023. I know I am. I actually just got a promotion, so life's been great. I'm actually going on vacation in a couple of weeks, so yeah, there's that. But how have you guys been? Let me know in the comment section things that you guys are working on in 2023. Like, I want to know some of your goals and motivations and everything. And yes, just kind of wanted to see you guys end on the little secret that your boy is definitely going to be stepping up his game on this channel. For we're going to be going back to the Room of Monster very soon and everything. And I'm going to be letting you guys a little bit more behind the scenes and kind of inviting you guys into like seeing behind like the scenes of how I am now running my own business, Walk Off Brands, which is my reselling page. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be more business oriented and everything, and just get back on my grind and just try to get the channel to be as big as it possibly can be and everything. But other than that, if you guys haven't already, just hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. It takes like 2 seconds, so let's just take 2 seconds. I mean, if you guys hit the button, that does mean the world to me and everything. And yes, for those that did not check out my last video, 1, why not? And 2, you guys missed a very important announcement. And that announcement is that I am actually extending the giveaway for my Cherry 11 giveaway till now the 13th of January as opposed to the 1st of January. So you guys have a couple more weeks. Again, we are so freaking close to getting that 100 subscriber goal. So again, just hit that subscribe button. You guys are one step closer to getting free shoes from your boy. And it's just as simple as just hitting the subscribe button. I mean, that's all you have to do. You don't have to pay anything. Just hit the subscribe button and you guys have a shot at shoes from me. Simple enough. But anyway, I know I've been talking your guys' ear off, but let's just cut that for a second and get right into this video. So right about now. Okay, guys, so you already know we got to kick off the video the right way, and that is with a toast to the Monster Club. Here's to you guys. I'm drinking Natty Day for those that are curious. And yes, we got to actually take another one because for those that don't know, I do play fantasy football. And I do play in a money league. And this past Monday, I actually had Josh Allen in my third place game for $50. And yeah, that game got called and then suspended. And now they're not going to play it at all. So the standings stick. And I actually lost by not even a point, less than a tenth of percentage and everything. So yes, no $50 for your boy. A little bummed out, I'm not gonna lie. But then I won a couple of championships also, but still, the money, and I understand the real life thing is way more important, don't get me wrong, but I feel like if the game can't go through, then no one should get the money. But that's just my opinion. I'm entitled to it. Anyway, let me finish the rest of my beer. I love alcohol. But anyway, I got my shoe here. I'm not gonna lie, I do love Nike's new box and everything. Okay, so first off, let's just check out the unique packaging. Get that thumbnail right quick. You got the white Air Jordan box, size 9, of course. And the color code reads white, varsity, red, black, Blanco, Nora, varsity, Rogue, or Roja. Boy, there's a little bit of Spanish. Just saying. Think else I can read this? They'll call me. You have, oh, we got a Jordan card? I'm excited for a second. But anyway, we got the Air Jordan 2. Check them out in the Chicago colorway. This shoe is beautiful. Check them out. This definitely could have been the year of the 2. Your boy did pick up a couple this year and whatnot. And yeah, these are definitely icy. And yes, the weather laces, just your standard black laces. And again, I am definitely in love with this shoe. Like, I can't say enough good thing. Like, you have to be prepared for the Jordan 2. The Jordan 2 is just not for any old regular outfit. Like, you gotta come correct for this shoe. And yeah, your boy is up for the challenge. Yeah, I know it's a primarily white shoe, but I know I can make this look good with some fits and everything. And yeah, had to get it. And yeah, I'm so excited to have them here. And you see enough good things about the shoe. Check out the tumble leather and whatnot. We got some quality on this particular shoe. Like, peep that. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for my first thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 2 Chicago. These definitely far surpassed my expectations. This is definitely a very clean and beautiful shoe, and you guys will be seeing them very soon in a full in-depth review and on foot. And yes, I could not be happier with this pickup and everything. Definitely worth the wait. But anyway, thank you guys so much for checking out my video. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And more importantly, can't stress enough, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until next week, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.